Hi there. Your colon, part of your digestive system, plays an essential role in your overall health. In a 2017 study, Lancet connected poor colon health to various systemic diseases. So, it's vital to keep it clean and healthy. Today, we're sharing 8 advanced strategies for natural colon cleansing. Ready to start your healthier living journey? Let's dive in. Let's start with the power of fiber, your colon's best friend. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that, unlike other carbs, cannot be broken down into digestible sugar molecules. Therefore, fiber passes through the intestinal tract relatively intact, serving as a powerful tool for maintaining colon health. There are 2 types of fiber: soluble, which dissolves in water and can help lower glucose and cholesterol levels, and insoluble, which doesn't dissolve, providing bulk and helping prevent constipation. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition's 2012 report, a high-fiber diet can help reduce the risk of colon cancer. Where do you find these beneficial fibers? Whole grains like brown rice and oatmeal are excellent sources. In the fruit department, berries, apples, and pears lead the pack. Among vegetables, artichokes, peas, and broccoli are fiber heavyweights. Do you fancy seeds and nuts? Chia seeds, almonds, and pistachios are also packed with fiber. Remember, integrating these fiber-rich foods into your daily diet is an effective strategy for natural colon cleansing. However, do it gradually to allow your system to adjust, and always stay well hydrated, as fiber pulls water into your bowels. Your colon will thank you. Hydration is a vital player in the colon cleanse process. Staying well hydrated promotes regular bowel movements and helps maintain a healthy digestive system. Dehydration can lead to chronic constipation because the colon relies on water to keep the digestive tract moist and facilitate the movement of food through it. In fact, a study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2013 demonstrated that higher water intake was significantly associated with decreased risk of kidney stones, another condition linked to poor hydration. Even though kidney stones are not directly related to colon health, it clearly illustrates how critical water is for our bodily functions, including those of the digestive system. So how much water should you drink? While the 8 cups a day rule is generally well known, your individual water needs may vary based on factors such as your activity level, climate, and diet. Foods with high water content like cucumbers, watermelon, and strawberries can also contribute to your overall hydration. Bear in mind, though, drinking excessive amounts in a short period can potentially be harmful. It's about balance. Stay consistently hydrated throughout the day for optimal colon health and overall well-being. Now, let's talk about probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy gut environment. According to a review in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology in 2012, probiotics can alleviate various gastrointestinal problems, including IBS, and even reduce the risk of colon cancer. Probiotics work by enhancing the gut microbiota, the complex community of microorganisms in our digestive tract. They not only aid digestion but also contribute to our overall immunity and well-being. Probiotic bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids, such as butyrate, which nourishes the cells lining your colon, reducing inflammation and promoting bowel movements. Foods rich in probiotics include fermented items like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha. The benefit of food sources over supplements is that they also provide other nutritional values, such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Remember to feed these beneficial bacteria too. Prebiotic foods, such as garlic, onions, and bananas, are non-digestible carbohydrates that act as food for probiotics. Incorporating a variety of probiotic and prebiotic foods in your diet can help maintain a balanced gut microbiota, which is crucial for optimal colon health. But, as always, moderation is key. Too much can lead to bloating and discomfort. Exercise isn't just about building muscles or burning calories, it can also significantly enhance your colon health. Regular physical activity helps stimulate the natural contraction of intestinal muscles, assisting in moving waste more efficiently through your system, according to a 2013 study in PLOS-1. Physical activity can be as simple as a brisk walk, a bike ride, or a yoga session. Even muscle-strengthening exercises can indirectly impact colon health by improving overall metabolic health and reducing inflammation. A 2016 research study published in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science found that yoga poses that involve twisting can help stimulate your digestive system and enhance bowel motility. Poses like the seated twist, Ardha Matsyendrasana, or supine twist, Supta Matsyendrasana, can be particularly beneficial. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. A moderate, regular exercise routine is often more beneficial in the long run than intense, irregular workout sessions. And always listen to your body. If a certain type of exercise causes discomfort or pain, it's crucial to modify it or find an alternative.
Support your colon by moving more. Your body will thank you for it.
Nature has gifted us with a multitude of herbs known to aid in digestion and colon health. For example, ginger, renowned for its anti-inflammatory and digestive properties, is commonly used to alleviate digestive discomfort. A 2011 study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology suggests that ginger may accelerate gastric emptying and relieve constipation.
Psyllium, a type of fiber made from the Plantago ovata plant seeds, is another colon-cleansing superstar. Psyllium acts as a bulk-forming laxative, absorbing water in your gut and making bowel movements easier.
A 2015 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that psyllium supplementation could enhance stool frequency and consistency.
Aloe vera, traditionally used to soothe skin, can also be consumed in juice form for its colon-cleansing effects.
Its natural laxative properties come from compounds known as anthraquinones. But be mindful of the dose. Overconsumption can lead to cramping and diarrhea.
Peppermint isn't just for freshening breath, its oil has been used to soothe IBS symptoms.
A 2019 meta-analysis in the BMJ highlighted peppermint oil's potential in managing IBS. As always, consult your healthcare professional before starting any herbal supplement regimen, as some herbs may interact with medications or be unsuitable for certain health conditions. Juice therapy, often referred to as juicing, has gained popularity for its perceived health and detoxification benefits.
But what's the science behind it?
Well, juicing breaks down fruits and vegetables, making their nutrients more readily available for absorption. A juice cleanse provides an influx of vitamins and antioxidants, which can support your immune system and overall health. For example, beetroot juice is high in nitrates and antioxidants, which a 2013 study in the Journal of Applied Physiology associated with increased blood flow and oxygen delivery to the intestines, potentially aiding digestive health. Similarly, green leafy vegetables like kale and spinach, when juiced, offer an abundance of chlorophyll. This compound is not only responsible for their green hue but, according to a 2014 study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology, also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidative effects. Bear in mind that while juicing can be a great way to get in some extra nutrients, it should not replace whole fruits and vegetables in your diet. Whole foods provide valuable fiber, which, as we discussed earlier, is key for colon health. Also, excessively consuming fruit juices can lead to a high intake of sugars.
So, like everything, moderation is key.
And remember, freshly prepared juice is best, as nutrients can degrade over time or when exposed to air.
Happy juicing! Did you know that certain alternative therapies like massage and acupuncture could potentially aid in colon health? Let's explore this fascinating domain.
Abdominal massage, in particular, has been shown to stimulate the muscles in your colon, helping speed up the movement of waste through the digestive tract. According to a 2015 study published in the Journal of Clinical Nursing, abdominal massage was effective in decreasing gastrointestinal symptoms, particularly in individuals with chronic constipation. On the other hand, acupuncture, a key component of traditional Chinese medicine, has been utilized for centuries to treat various ailments, including digestive disorders. A systematic review in the journal Acupuncture in Medicine in 2013 found that acupuncture could be effective in treating IBS, which is often associated with colon health. However, it's essential to remember that while these therapies can support colon health, they don't replace a balanced diet, regular exercise, and appropriate hydration.
Moreover, always ensure these treatments are performed by certified practitioners to avoid any potential adverse effects. Stepping outside the conventional sphere and embracing these alternative therapies can open up new paths to colon health and overall wellness. Exciting, isn't it?
Beyond specific dietary and physical strategies, developing overall healthy habits is paramount for colon health. For instance, mindful eating, which involves paying full attention to the experience of eating, can significantly improve digestion. A 2014 review in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics reported that slow, mindful eating could enhance the digestion process and increase satiety. Next, adequate sleep is integral to overall health, including your gut. A 2014 study in the World Journal of Gastroenterology found that circadian rhythms impact gut motility and bacterial composition, emphasizing the role of a regular sleep cycle in gut health.
Lastly, stress management also plays a crucial role.
High stress levels can alter gut bacteria and cause gastrointestinal problems. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply engaging in a favorite hobby can help manage stress levels, promoting colon health.
It's essential to remember that health is a holistic concept.
Every aspect of your lifestyle, from what you eat and how much you move to your sleeping patterns and stress levels, plays a role in maintaining a healthy colon and overall well-being.
It's the little steps that make the big difference. And there you have it. Your roadmap to a healthier colon, from dietary interventions to everyday habits. Remember, it's all about balance and consistency. These changes won't transform your health overnight, but stick with them, and you're on your way to long-term colon health. Keep striving for wellness.